I was able to fix the over issue for the font. So right now, this is weird. I'm not sure why this is like right here. There's like two div. Like this whole thing is like a page, and then there's this whole thing right here, which is another div. But when so see, it's like right here, and there's nothing at the bottom. But when I go, so let's see, I exit that, then it doesn't show on the top anymore, that thing, and then it shows this on the side, and it's not letting me editing that right here because I don't want that. Maybe just the search, but about the site and find us, like, I don't need it. um so I'm not sure why this was happening earlier. What I was trying to do, or what I needed, is that for some reason this right here, well, I still need to fix it because it was all even and now it's not even. So I can play with that. But the other one, I'm not sure what happened, but basically right here all of this text was like super super small, and it would not change when I would use where is it? One second. So see, again, this thing is showing. I don't know why that's showing. That's super weird. But when I would be going and doing this one, for example, and then I believe it's this. So the text size is not even the same. So, but I was able to figure that out. So that's okay. Um, that's okay right here. But I don't know why. So this thing right here is showing up. That was not even showing earlier. Maybe it was the, I don't know. It's really weird. Um, yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to change, at least for this one. And I don't know why, but the other one I was able to, I just inspect it and then I put it in the CSS appearance. I just put it right here so it fixed it, because for some reason it would not fix it over there. So I just did that and put important to change that. But if you can just help me understand like why there's like that extra page on the top. It's really weird because even if I go, let's say I do, like the blog had it too. So if I do edit, wait, it's gonna load. Yeah, so that's the header. So there should not be another thing on top, which I don't understand why that's showing. It's really weird. I don't know what's going on there. Um oops. I'll just leave that so that does not affect it. Let me make sure. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm not sure why this is showing. Oh. Okay, yeah, it was the wrong one, huh? So let me go back and do blog instead of home. I wonder if I would just we're just showing the sidebar. Now it's gone. What? Yeah, it was just here. It's weird. Let me try that again. See, it's right here. And then it disappears. That's super weird. Okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep playing with that. But that was my question basically. The top part, I'm not sure why that's up there. But okay. Let me send that to you.